Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Yesterday was super busy. Monday's always my problem-solving days. Anyways, I wanted to talk about how I miss table tennis. If I call it ping pong, I'll get in trouble. I grew up playing table tennis. My dad taught me. And so anyways, when I was in school and middle school, we actually got to play table tennis after lunch hour. That was like our mini recess. So we would quick eat lunch and we'd go and we play table tennis against each other to get our physical activity in for the day. And so it was like something I always looked forward to. The same thing with kids. They've taken so many recesses away, and licensing rule states, like at our place, that for how many hours they're in, they have to have so many hours of outside play or active play. And so what we did is in our center, we built in an hour in the morning and an hour in the afternoon. The teachers can break it up. They can do brain breaks, which gets them moving between their transition for 5 minutes every day. But I encourage everyone to go above standards for movement and activity and recess. You don't see that much anymore in the school districts. They're starting to take away that, especially in elementary, and those kids need their movement. They need their brain breaks. And one time I did have one of the teachers, when my kid was in elementary, she was having behavioral problems, and I was at the meeting and she rushed through the grades, and I said, well, how often are you doing your brain breaks? And her mouth dropped. And I said, my child needs his brain breaks. I said, how often do you go outside? And she's like, 30 minutes for the whole day. I said, my child needs activity. He needs that physical activity to get his energy out. I have a really funny story. Yesterday, I hired a guy who's a track star, and one of my little boys, the mom was explaining to him that Miss Christine hired a guy and he runs super, super fast. And the little boy says to her, well, we'll see about that. So it's funny how little kids don't even see someone that's quick. In their mind, they have the confidence that they can be quicker than the other person. And they have the energy to try and succeed. And with outside door play, this will be the perfect time to take the kids out and challenge them to use their whole body and their fine motor skills and their large motor skills. And make sure you're doing sensory outside with the kids. There's so much you can do outside, but just make sure you guys are getting your minutes in above standards for outdoor play, because in school districts, they take it away and those kids need their movement. They need to expend their energy, because if you're not, they'll see your behaviors increase. So anyways, everyone have a great Tuesday. I'll see you later.